Step number 1 will be downloading the attached database, then start answering the following questions. From here we're gonna click to download the database. Okay, double click to open it, click enable. Here we have a database consisted of main two tables, one for the products and the other one for the supplier data. If we right click the first one and click design view, here we have the fields of the table: product ID, description of the product, on hand, meaning the available number of units for the customers or in the inventory, the cost, the sale price, the supplier code, and the retail. If we right click the supplier data, we're having data related to the suppliers: first name, last name, address, city, zip code, telephone number. Okay, now we need to create the access form. We need to create a supplier data form using the supplier data table. As we said before, the form is a window that will be created depending on one of the tables or one of the queries. Okay, in this case we're going to create our form using the table supplier data. Okay, so make sure it's selected. Okay, now it's highlighted. From create, I'm gonna select form. Okay, here is my form and I need to save it, so close. Yes, I'm gonna name it supplier data. Okay, here we're having our form displayed here. Then we're asked to change the background color of the form, so from here I'm going to select my form, right click, design view. Okay, place your mouse anywhere in the detail, any empty place here. For example, right click, properties, and from the properties displayed on the right side you're having back color. Okay, from the three dots here we're gonna open the color picker and select any color you need. I'm fine with that one. Okay, click yes, save here. Okay, now this is safe. Move to the form view. Okay, we're done. For the next one, we need to add an operation button that will add a new record. Okay, make sure that you are in the design view. Right click design view, or from here design view, and I need like a space, so from here I'm going to move that one, this one كده down. Here I'm going to create my buttons, so from design here. Okay, design. If you don't know which one is the button, just hover with your mouse on the different object, so you're gonna know which one is the button. Okay, this is a label. Okay, this is a button. Select. Okay, the mouse cursor will be changed. Just click and draw a rectangle. Once we draw the rectangle, we're having the wizard. If you don't know what you should do, you're having the categories here. When you are selecting a different category, different actions will be displayed here. I need to create a new record, so having one of the record operations. Again, if you don't know, just search the categories and read the actions. Okay, till you're finding your action. Here, record operation, add new record, and next. I need to display a text instead of an image, so text. Just click add new record. Okay, next, finish. Okay, I'm having my button here. We can resize it from the handles, and here we go. Now we need to add a navigation button to the next record. So again, the same steps. From button, draw a rectangle, and this time we need record navigation. We need moving to next record. So select next, next, finish. I'm gonna leave it with the icon image. Okay, now we need to create another one for moving us to the previous. That's why I'm gonna move the next to the right and create one for the previous. So from here, draw, okay, and navigation, previous, next, next, finish. Okay. Do we need any other requirements? Yes, we need to add an operation button that will close the form. Mainly the same steps. Instead of selecting record navigation, we're going to search for a suitable category. So again, from button, draw your rectangle, the wizard will open. Form operation, search in it. Yes, we're having closing form. Next, I'm gonna keep the text close form. Next, finish. Okay, I need to resize it so the text will be clear. Finally, we're gonna save from here and move to form view. Okay, this is moving to the next, moving to previous, add new record, close. Okay, yes, I need to save. Finally, we need to create like a report. So from here, create, make sure to select the needed table, which is create product report using product table. So I'm gonna select the product table first, then from create, click report, and here we having our report, and close. Yes, okay, right click, and we're gonna open it. Okay, and from here we can see the print preview. Okay, as we're going to print out that report. Okay, now we're done, as we're having like 6 queries under the queries category. Here we're having our form with the add new record, the 2 buttons of navigation, and the close, and we're having our report ready. So we're going to close our database. Okay, yes, and before attaching that database to your exam, you need to rename it with your name. I'm having it here in the download, so right click and change its name to be your name. Okay, and back to Classera. From choose, I'm going to navigate to downloads and select this one, open. Finally, in your view, you're gonna have submit. Click submit and you're done. Okay, make sure to attach an Access database. Make sure to rename it with your name before uploading. Okay.